Hello everyone, welcome to 7th session of Core Java. In previous session, we discussed about multi-threading and threads. In this session, we will see the util package in Java. In Java, the terms util package typically refer to the package or a group of a package that contain the utility classes and the function commonly used in a Java programming. These utility classes and function provide the various helper methods and tools simplify the common tasks in Java development. The java.util package is the one of the standard Java package that falls into the categories. But there are the many other utility packages created by the developer and the organization. Here's an overview of the java.util package and some other commonly used utility package in Java. There are the various type of Java packages. So first is a java.util package. Java.util package is the part of Java standard libraries and contains a wide range of utility classes and interface. There are the common classes and interface in a Java util include the list, set, map, date, calendar, collection, arrays, and many more. They provide the data structure like set, list, map, as well as utility classes for the working with the collection, dates, and items. Examples of classes in this package include the array list, hash map, date, and calendar. Next is the Java util concurrent packages. Java util concurrent package that contain the utility classes for the concurrent programming, including the classes and managing threads, thread pools, or the synchronization. Common classes in the package include the executor, executor service, thread pool executor, the concurrent hash map, the various synchronization primitive. Java.util.stream package introduced the Java in Java 8. So in the Java 8, Java.util stream provide the stream APIs for the working with the sequence of elements in the functional and the reductive styles. It offers a method for the performing operation like filtering, mapping, reducing, and the collecting on the data stream. Common classes and interface in this package include the stream, collector, and predict. Next is a java.util.login package. Java.util.login package contains the classes and interface for the logging or the monitoring. It provides the simply logging framework for the generating log message from the Java application. The common classes include the logger, handler, and the formatter. Next is the java.util.regress package. It contains the classes for the regular expression matching and the parsing. It allows you to work with the regular expression to the search, match, and manipulate string. The common classes including the patterns or the matcher. Next is the java.util.zip package. Java.util.zip package contains the classes and interface for working with the compressed files with and the achieve. It provides the support of zip and zip files format. It's the common classes including the zip input stream or the zip output stream or the zip input stream. Next is the org.apache.common lang 3 packages. In this package, the Apache Common Lang libraries provide the additional utility classes for the common tasks. It includes the classes for the streaming manipulation, data manipulation, and the various other utility functions. The common classes include the string unit, array units, and the object units. Next is the Goa. The Goa library is developed by the Google is offered the wide range of utility classes and collection is provide the classes for the working with the collection, coaching, functional programming, and many more. The common classes include the immutable list, immutable map, joiner, or predictor. Next is the network in Java. The network in Java is a curricular except for the developing application for that communicate over the network, whether it's the internet, LAN means local area network or the other network infrastructure. Java provides the robust set of libraries and APIs network programming. Making is the relatively straightforward. It's create the network application here to fundamental concept of libraries and the need to understand the networking in Java. So socket programming, it is the network capability to primarily build around the socket programming. The socket provides the endpoint for the sending or the receiving data over the network. Java support both TCP means Transmission Control Protocol or UDP means User Datagram Protocol. Socket. The server socket or the socket. The server socket is used to create the server application that listen the incoming connection. Then socket is used to create the client connection to the server. Next is the Java.NET package that contain the classes TCP based communication. Next is a URL or the HTTP URL connection. Java.NET package also include the classes include the URL or the HTTP URLs connection for the working with the HTTP based networking, making the easier to create the HTTP client or the perform the web request. Datagram socket or the datagram package for the UDP means user datagram protocol is the best communication. Java provide the datagram socket or the datagram packet classes. These are the around the sending or the receiving datagram independent packet for the of the data without establish a connection network APIs. Java also includes the higher level of network APIs such as the network socket channel or the server socket channel classes, which is the part of the network input output package. This provide the non-blocking input output improving the performance and the stability. Next is the adding images and animation to the applet. So in Java, you can add the image or the animation to the applet using the java.awt or the java.swing package for the graphical rendering. Yeah, so here the step-by-step guidance to how to add the image or the animation to the applet. So let's see the example of a applet on Eclipse.
First, create a folder. So, in a C drive, we create a folder. Click on New and Folder. Folder name is a applet program. This folder is open with code. So, in this folder, we create a Java file. So, add the Java file hello applet.java. So, in this file, we create a class first. So, public class hello applet. In this file, we create a pend method. So, public void pend. In this pend, we pass the graphics g. In this method, we add the g dot draw string. So g dot draw string. We pass the string is a hello applet. Then pass. After adding, so import the applet. First extend with the applet. So extend. So import the java.applet or import the graphics also. So import java dot awt dot graphics. Then create a HTML file. So applet applet.html. In this HTML file, add the HTML tags. After adding the HTML tag, add the body tag. In body tag, we add the applet code. In applet code, we add the hello applet dot class. Then width we pass width 300. Then height we pass 200. Then close the applet tag. Set the program. First we compile the Java file. So Java C file name is a hello applet dot java. Then applet. Then add the command applet viewer applet dot html. So visible on the applet viewer hello applet. Thank you.